at the peak of whatever is going on, like the worst moment in your life at that moment, record. Or if it's basketball is your thing, go dribble. Like that's when you work on your craft the most, cause it's like you could take all that energy, all that hurt, all that pain, and put it into something else. Like I ain't gonna like. Of course, you gotta go back home,
bro. That's a big thing. I just want to go back on that. So you said when you feeling some type of way,
yeah, like
or
when
you
it's
in pain, you said go record.
yes, like when it's the worst. Like for example, I'm gonna use myself for example. I'll tell you the whole little story. My birthday is August 8th. I found out my granddad that I was living with had cancer, like he had lung cancer, the day before my birthday.
Yeah, my mom's had cancer too, bro.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. But like soon as I found out, I started recording my project that I'm working on now.
Right then and there.
So like that's why I say like a lot of this you can feel the pain in it. You can, cause although like the songs aren't like directly about him, you can still feel like where I was at when I was making the music. So like that's what I mean. That's like even all the way in the sports. Michael Jordan won his best games when he had the flu.
That's true.
Like so at that moment where you feel like this is the worst possible moment to do something, nah, go ahead. Like that's when you put your foot on the gas.
That's when you push through.
Yeah.
Wow. Bro, that's a golden nugget right there. Everybody needs to be paying attention to that. Pay attention to that. Write that down. When it gets worse, that's when you got to keep on pushing.
Yeah.
That's when your best work come out.
For sure.
Even though it's going to be hard at that time.
For sure.
Wow.